man. Welcome back to Scrap Mechanic. In the last video, I talked about that I wanted to either make a bulldozer or a cable car, aka gondola. This was my test that I did this morning. This is my test cable car. Want to see it work? Let's see it. It's a prototype, definitely, but it definitely works. I'm gonna work on something else this time. I confirmed myself. I want to make a bulldozer, so let's get to building a bulldozer. Let's head to the base. Where's the base? Where are you? Ah, here it is. Here's the base. Alright, so, excuse me. Now that we're back at the base, let's get ready to build a bulldozer. Alright. Alright, so for bulldozer, we want this to be, I would say about this wide, would you say? Perfect. About that size. There we go. And bulldozers normally have humongo tires. So let's add some tires here. Alright, that's good. So now let's get out the inventory. Come on, where are you? There you are. You want huge tires. Boom. Humongo tires for the win. Oh, I just realized. We're also gonna have to steer this thing. Excuse me. Excuse me for that. We are going to have to control this thing by steering it. So I need to make a steering contraption. Well, not contraption. You know what I mean. Alright. So let's put a bearing here. And there we go. Oh. No, I don't want a bearing. Oh, no. I only want the steering to be at the front. You can probably see in the distance a weird piece of machinery in the distance you could probably not see. That piece of machinery that you probably just saw in the distance is it's supposed to be part of which vehicle? That vehicle over there. But I tore it apart, left the engine on, and then went wild. So now I'm just letting that roam around the world and staying by the base, totally ignoring it. But let's ignore that. Let's ignore that fact. And let's build a bulldozer. Alright. Boom. I apologize if you could hear sounds coming from the outside world. I apologize for that. Swear how the tires can go straight through the floor on a lift. Alright. Q. Q. Which one's the front again? Well, let's get rid of you. Alright, now I know which way's the front. That's probably a bad way of doing it. There we go. If you can hear beeping, that sounds like a phone. I'm sorry about that. There's my phone going off. But we'll ignore that for now. Let's connect the... Oop, oop. See, is this turning in the right direction? No wonder my other thing was inverted. Okay, so... I won't put... Wait, let's see. Right, so... Yeah, sorry I went quiet for a second. I was just trying to think and focus. Right, um... that should be in the correct position. Hopefully. I'll see you in a sec. Wrong way. Right way. Right way. Alright. Oh. Wow. No engines. Derp. How could I forget about the engines for this car? How can I totally forget about the engines? Boom. Alright. I need this engine to be connected. There's some changes I need to fix. The chair is facing which way? That means that's the wrong way. Alright. So that is the correct way. Wrong way. Mm. Come on, get out of here. Oh.